Good morning, dear students. Today is my 7th session. Today I am going to solve another problems of income and expenditure account. মই আজি তোমালোকক আয়ব্যয় হিচাপৰ আৰু এটা প্ৰবলেম তোমালোকৰ ওচৰলৈ লৈ আহিছো। এইটো প্ৰবলেম মই সলভ কৰি দেখাম কেনে কৰিব লাগিব। তোমালোকৰ বুকত মই অলৰেডি কৈছো কোৱেশ্চন বেংক আছে সলভ কৰিবা দেই। মানে পঢ়িবা কেনে পৰীক্ষাত আহে বহুত বহুত ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট আৰু 6 mark question প্ৰতি বছৰ আহি আছে। তোমালোকে চাবা ভালকে আৰু সলভ কৰিবা। যিমানে সলভ কৰিবা সিমানে কনসেপচন ক্লিয়াৰ হ'ব। এতিয়া মই গৈ আছো। First of all, I'm going to draw the account income and expenditure account of Evergreen Club. For the year ended 31st December 2015. This is the debit side and this is the credit side. Okay? This is here all expenditures, amount, rupees, income, amount. Okay. Now see, as you know, income and expenditure account does not start with any kind of opening balance. Income and expenditure কোনো opening balance না থাকে। এখানে this cash in hand on 1/15 will not appear in this account. এটা কিন্তু appear নহয়। So next is subscription. কোনটো আহিব subscription 2015 টো আহিব current year টো আহিব because income and expenditure account does not include any items relating to the past or future year. আগৰ বা পাছৰ বছৰৰ কোনো আইটেম ইনকাম এণ্ড এক্সপেন্ডিচাৰত অন্তৰ্ভুক্ত নহয়। সেয়ে আমি আমাৰ কাৰেন্ট ইয়াৰ কি হয় 2015 হয়। হিয়াৰ কাৰেন্ট ইয়াৰ ইজ 2015. Only items relating to 2015 will appear in this account, in the income and expenditure account. Okay? Next, sale of newspaper. Sale of newspaper is a revenue receipts, therefore it will appear in the income and expenditure account. Next, life membership fees. Life membership fees means the amount of fees which is paid by the member for his whole life. It is a capital receipts, therefore it will not enter in the income and expenditure account. Next, donation. I have already told you in the last class, donation means an amount received from the members or from the public. Okay? Donations are basically two types. One is general donation, another is specific donation. Okay? When donation is received without any purpose, without any object, it is called general donation. Okay? And a specific donation, when donation is received by an organization for a specific cause, specific object, it is called specific donation. General donation is revenue receipts and specific donation is a capital receipts. Therefore, specific donations will not appear in the income and expenditure account. Okay, you see here there are two donations are given. One is general donation, another is specific donation. Donation for building, this is specific donation. This donation is received for the construction of the building, therefore it will not appear in the income and expenditure account. And first is donation, it is general donation, therefore it is revenue receipts, therefore it is to be recorded in the income and expenditure account. Next, interest. Interest received It is a revenue receipts. Therefore, it will appear in this account. Next, maintenance grant. I already told you, grant are two types. One is maintenance grant, another is capital grant. Maintenance grant are revenue, and capital grants are capital receipts. Therefore, capital grant will not appear in the income and expenditure account. Here, only maintenance grant will appear in this account. Okay. Now you see credit side. Salaries, payment of salary is a revenue expense. Therefore, it will appear in the income and expenditure account. Okay. Next, honorarium. Honorarium, payment of honorarium is a revenue expenditure. Therefore, it will appear in the income and expenditure account. Next, sports expenses. It is also another revenue expense. But sports equipment means billiard table, sports equipment, cricket bat. Okay. These are for long term. Therefore, these are capital expenditure. It will not appear in the income and expenditure account. Construction of building. It is a capital expenditure. Therefore, it is also not appearing in the income and expenditure account. Rent, revenue expense. Scholarship, revenue expense. Closing balance of cash will not appear in the income and expenditure account because it is a capital item. Okay. Now you see there are some adjustments are given. Outstanding subscription rupees 2,500. This amount of subscription is still due at the end of the year. Means on 31st December 2015. Therefore, this amount to be added with the subscription for the current year with this amount. Okay, it is to be added. Outstanding salaries. We already paid salary rupees 4,000, and another 1,000 salary is not yet paid till the closing of the accounting year. It is still due. Therefore, total salary is 15,000 for 1 year. Out of 15,000, 14,000 paid, 1,000 due. But income and expenditure account includes all revenue expenses, whether received or whether paid or not. Therefore, this is to be added with the salaries. Okay. Next, subscription amount 15 received in 2014. This amount is received in 2014, but it is an income for which year? It is an income for the current accounting year, for the 2015. Therefore, this amount to be included with this 20,000. Therefore, it is to be added also. Next, depreciation charge on sports equipment is 500. Depreciation is a revenue expense. Therefore, this item will also appear in the income and expenditure account. Okay. Now, I am going to put the items in this account. Okay. First of all, first one is subscription. Okay. Therefore, you write down by subscription. For which year? For 2015. How much amount is given? Rupees 20,000. I already told you. Why we are going to prepare the income and expenditure account? You have to memorize the adjustment, where adjustments are there. Okay. You see, first of all, outstanding subscription is there. How much? 2,500. This amount is to be added here. Therefore, add outstanding 2,500. Another item is there. Subscription for 2015. 400 received in 2014. This is the income for the current year. Therefore, this is to be added also. It will be plus received in 2014. How much amount is there? Amount is 400. Total is 22,900. Okay? So, lekha paisa 22,900. Next, you see, sale of newspaper 100. Therefore, and is there. Okay. Next, life membership fees, it will not appear. Next, donation 6,000. It is a general donation. Therefore, it will appear in the income and expenditure account rupees 6,000. Next, donation for building, it will not appear here. Next, interest is rupees 200 by Interest is 200. Next, maintenance cost, which is 3000. Is the revenue receipts. Okay, so you already placed this item on the credit side. Now move to the this side, credit side. Buy salary is 14,000. Here should be 2 salaries. Why I am doing the inner side? Because there is an adjustment. Outstanding salary how much? 1,000 to be this amount. Add outstanding how much? 15,000. Okay. Next you see honorarium 3,000 to honorarium 3,000. Next post expenses there are 5,000. How much amount is there? 5,000. Next rent is there 2,000. Because sports equipment and construction building both are capital expenditure. Therefore, these two items will not appear. These two items will not appear in the income and expenditure account. Okay. Next, rent is rent. Rent is how much? Rent is there 2,000. Therefore, 2 rent 2,000. Okay. Next, scholarship is there 1,000. Scholarship is given to the someone. Okay, the revenue expenditure. Therefore, to scholarship, how much amount is there? 1,000. Okay. Now, before going to closing the accounts, you see whether all the items already put it here or not. Okay. Subscription for 250 is already entered, right? Sale of newspaper is gone. Donation is already 6,000 entered here. Interest is 200 is already put here. Maintenance is 3,000 already recorded. Salary is 14,000 already entered. Honorarium 3,000 already entered. Sports expenses 5,000 already recorded. Rent 2,000 already recorded. And scholarship 1,000 is there. Okay. Now see the adjustment whether it is affected or not. Outstanding subscription 2,500 it is already affected. Next, outstanding salaries it is 1,000 it is already done with the 15,000 salaries. Subscription 115 received 14,400 this amount is already added to subscription. Okay. Now see depreciation charges sports equipment. Depreciation charges sports equipment is a revenue expense. Therefore, it will appear in the income and expenditure account to depreciation on sports equipment how much? 500. Okay. Here all the items has been already placed. Okay. Now I am going to close the account. You see, first of all you have to see total of which side will be bigger. Okay. 15 plus 3 18, 18 plus 2 means 20, 25, 26,500. This side 26,500 total. 15 plus 8, 18, 23, 25, 26,500. And this side 22,500 plus 100. Here 23,000. 23 plus 6. 23 plus 6, 29. 29 plus 3, 32,000. Here 32,200. Okay. Total of this side is 32,200 means here total incomes are 32,200. 30,000, 36, 39, 23 plus 6, 29, 29 plus 3, 32, 32 plus 300. Here 18, 18 plus 5, 23, 25, 26,500. Total expenses how much? 26,000. What is the difference? 12 minus 5, 7. Okay. 11 minus 6, 5,700. Okay. This is called here income are greater than the expense. There is a surplus. How much? 5,700 surplus is there. Okay. Therefore, we have to close the account. Here we have seen. That our incomes are greater than the expense. Your total incomes are 32,200. Your expense is 26,500. Therefore, here 32,200, and your surplus is 5,700. Therefore, you have to write 2 surplus, that is income over expenditure. Okay, this is called surplus. Okay, very easy. Go to the book. book java মই দুটা কোৱেশ্চন অলৰেডি সলভ কৰি দিলো এটা লাষ্ট আজিলা দিলো তোমালোকে কোৱেশ্চন বেংক যাবা কিতাপত বহুত কোৱেশ্চন আছে সেই কৰিবা যে কিবা ডাউট থাকে মোক কল কৰিব পাৰিবা বা ডাউট ক্লাছলৈ আহিব পাৰিবা এইবিলাক সাম কথা কৰি লবা ঘৰ প্ৰেক্টিছ কৰিবা কোৱেশ্চন বেংক কৰিবা মেইনলি মই কৈছো বাৰে কৈছো বিবি ডামৰ বুকৰ বেক সাইডে কোৱেশ্চন বেংকৰ সব মানে কোৱেশ্চন পাৰ দিয়া আছে লাষ্ট 5 ইয়াৰ্স 6 ইয়াৰ্স কোৱেশ্চন পাৰ দিয়া আছে তোমালোকে কিনি সলভ কৰি চাবা আৰু পৰীক্ষাত নহয় ৰিসিভ পেমেন্ট নতুবা ইনকাম এক্সপেন্ডিচাৰ কোনবাখন আহিব এটো 100% সিওৰ পৰীক্ষাত তোমালোকৰ নহয় ৰিসিভ পেমেন্ট আহিব নতুবা ইনকাম এক্সপেন্ডিচাৰ কৰিবলৈ আহিব প্ৰতি বছৰ আহি আছে ইয়াৰ পিছত তোমালোকৰ আউট অফ টপিক আছে মই পঢ়াম কেতিয়াবা 3 মাৰ্কছৰ কিছুমান কোৱেশ্চন আহে সৰু কিছুমান পাৰ্ট আহে সেইখিনি মই নেক্সট ক্লাছ তোমালোকৰ লগত ডিসকাস কৰিম কিন্তু এইখিনি তোমালোকে ঘৰত যিমান কিতাপ আছে বিবিডামে হওক জুনেজা হওক মাকো কৈছে এছানডে হওক মানে বুকত যাবা প্ৰেক্টিছ কৰিবা প্ৰেক্টিছটো বহুত ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট মানে ঘৰত আছে এটা কোভিড-19 বহুত টাইম ফ্ৰী টাইম আছে তোমালোকৰ কাৰণে স্কুল আহিব নালাগে স্কুল যাব ঘূৰি যাব নালাগে ঠিক আছে তোমালোকে নিজে ঘৰত ভাগে পঢ়িবা ইন চাবা যদি কিবা নোৱাৰা সাম কৰিছা নোৱাৰিছা মোৰ লগত তুমি WhatsApp কন্টাক্ট কৰিব পাৰিবা মোৰ WhatsApp নম্বৰ আছে তোমালোকৰ ওচৰত তোমালোকে পঠিয়াও মই চাই দিম চেক কৰি দিম ঠিক আছে আজি ক্লাছটো হ'ব নেক্সট আমি নেক্সট আকৌ লগ পাম থ্যাঙ্কস ফৰ টুডে বাই